This is by far the only easiest way to turn your focus from this.
I live my life, Ujeta. So this story is not funny. I can't depend on anyone.
To this.
I live my life, Ujeta. So this story is not funny. I can't depend on anyone. Cause the street is not friendly. If you no get them, send you away.
If this is your first time here, consider subscribing to this channel. And I see you inside. Before you can actually work on a focus, the first thing you need to do is for you to cleanse the focus. In order for us to clean this focus, this is what we are going to do. First, we right click on this place and we select to edit sample. Once we click on edit sample, what we need to do is for us to zoom out and go to where we have the noise and select. We click here and we click on acquire noise profile. Once that is done, we select everything and we click here and we accept noise profile. When that is done, let's go ahead and drag it and replace it with our old file. This is how it sounds.
I live my life, Ujeta. So this story is not funny. I can't depend on anyone.
So when that is done, we need to continue and do this for all the channels. So let's head over and do it. So now we are done. The next thing we are going to do is for us to route all these channels to a specific channel in the mixer track so we can actually add our plugins. Don't always forget to save your project, so I'm saving my project now. Make sure you do that as well. After saving, the next thing for us to do is for us to go it over and remove all the unwanted frequency using the EQ. Let's do that. So once that is done, this is what we were left with.
I live my life, Ujeta. So this story is not funny. I can't depend on anyone. Cause the street is not friendly. If you
So the next thing we are going to do is for us to head over and add in our auto-tune. So when we add in our auto-tune, we will be able to tune our vocals and also tune everything that has to do with our vocals. The basic thing we always look up into auto-tune is our returning tune, our flex tune, and our humanization. So those are the few knobs we need to check. I know the key to my song, so you also have to know the key to your song and you fix it in. Let's head over and speed it up so we can finish in time. Once that is done, this is our vocal sound.
I live my life, Ujeta. So this story is not funny. I can't depend on anyone.
The next thing for us to do is for us to go ahead and add our new EQ. In this one EQ, we are going to remove our low ends and also add highs to the vocal so we can have the vocal presence. Let's head over and do that. once that is done, the next thing for us to do is for us to compress our vocals. So I always use this Pro-C compressor, and I always recommend you use it too. So the first thing is I'm going to set my ratio to 5, and then I'm going to play with my threshold. Let's head over and do it so we hear how it sounds. After compressing, this is what we were left with.
I live my life, ooh, cha-cha. So this story is not funny. I can't depend on anyone, cause the street is not friendly. If you no get them, send you away.
The next thing for us to do is for me to introduce multi-band compressor. I always like to use this multi-band compressor from Far Filter. So when that is being done, I head over and add my reverb, my delay, everything that I need to add. I add my fresh air and other plugins, and this is what we come out with.
I live my life, ooh, cha-cha. So this story is not funny. I can't depend on anyone, cause the street is not friendly. If you no get them, send you away. Also hard, you can pay your debt. Stay focused not to go astray. Also hard, so you pay your debt. No retreat, no.
If you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe to my channel, like and comment on this video, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you.